Limit as x approaches 10. Of 6x plus 20? Answer is 80. 4 times 4 equals? Answer is 16. Add matrices. 6 plus 4? Answer is 10. Derivative of 46? Answer is 0. Integral of 5x? Answer is 5/2 x squared plus c. Integral of 3? Answer is 3x plus c. Integral of 9x? Answer is 9/2 x squared plus c. For f, x equals x superscript 2. Is the function continuous at z equals 3? Answer is yes. Add matrices. 4 plus 4? Answer is 8. Integral of 20? Answer is 20x plus c. Add matrices. 1 plus 8? Answer is 9. Limit as x approaches 8. Of 3x superscript 2? Answer is 192. Derivative of 38? Answer is 0. 4 times 5 equals? Answer is 20. Add matrices. 8 plus 5? Answer is 13.